Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Ahrefs for SEO growth strategy, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Ahrefs homepage by entering the URL www.ahrefs.com. Look for the login button, typically located in the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to be redirected to the login page. Enter the email address associated with your Ahrefs account in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a password recovery process. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Ahrefs dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will be your primary tool for SEO analysis. Explore the available tools such as Site Explorer, Keywords Explorer, and Content Explorer. Utilize the search bar to enter a domain or keyword for analysis. Review the metrics provided, including backlinks, organic traffic, and keyword rankings. Leverage the data to inform your SEO growth strategy. Take advantage of the various filters to refine your research. Regularly check the site audit feature to identify any potential SEO issues. Use the rank tracker to monitor your keyword performance over time. Engage with Ahrefs educational resources, including blog posts and tutorials, for added insights. Bookmark the Ahrefs dashboard for easy access in future sessions. Keep your credentials secure and log out after each session for added security. Consistently update your strategies based on the insights gained from Ahrefs. Make exploring and analyzing a regular part of your SEO growth strategy. Continue adapting your approach as algorithms and trends evolve in digital marketing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.